Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure your Xbox is updated and on the same 5 GHz network as your phone because latency matters. Open the Xbox mobile app and sign in with the same Microsoft account. Then go to your console's settings and enable remote features. Once done, test a console connection inside the app using the remote play option so you confirm visibility before moving into the deeper connection steps. Now continue by connecting and tuning streaming parameters for stable play. In the Xbox app, select Consoles, tap Remote Play, and choose your console. The app negotiates the stream. Make sure to pair your controller to your phone, Bluetooth for wireless or wired using a USB-C/Lightning cable to avoid input lag. Once connected, open streaming settings and lower resolution or enable lower bitrate if you see stutter. This sacrifices visual fidelity to keep responsiveness, which is crucial for fast-paced games. Finish by launching a game and verifying audio, input, and visual stability. These confirm success. If you experience lag or dropped frames, make sure both devices are on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel, move closer to the router, or reduce stream quality in settings. Alternatively, connect your controller and phone with a cable to eliminate Bluetooth delays. If problems persist, restart the Xbox and app, check NAT and router settings, and reattempt the remote play connection. This usually resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.